Portugal is known for its rough coastlines and pretty beaches. Driving just a couple of minutes inland, you are surrounded by what seems to be lush green forests. But in reality, most of it are eucalyptus plantations. Eucalyptus trees can grow up to 70 meters in height and make up 1/4 of the Portuguese forest, of which around 20% belong to the pulp and paper industry. This is a massive problem because eucalyptus, or Eucalyptus globulus, which is the most common species around here, is not native to the European landscape. Eucalyptus was imported from Australia in the 18th century, initially as a decorative plant, but was quickly discovered for the pulp and paper industry due to its fast-growing and easy-to-manage properties. From then onwards, the main reason for its growth and distribution around Europe was for the paper and pulp production. We can now see it in large plantations, especially around Portugal, Italy and Spain. This has some significant effects on the native ecosystem, and unfortunately not positive ones. Eucalyptus plantations are held strictly homogeneous and are often under intense management with short rotation cycles, meaning new trees are planted and harvested every 8 to 12 years. Many studies have highlighted the negative effects of eucalyptus plantations, which generally support a lower level of biodiversity compared to native forests or even native tree plantations such as pine. Eucalyptus is also known to have an allopathic effect, meaning it releases biochemicals that affect the growth, reproduction and survival of other plants. Planting eucalyptus in strict monocultures with short rotation cycles means the soil is exposed to higher stress levels, leading to soil degradation. In other words, the physical, biological and chemical decline in soil quality. The amount of wildfires is increasing, and the depleted eucalyptus plantation have little defense against these fires. Native forests with healthy ecosystems, on the other hand, have natural processes that help them to mitigate the impact of the wildfires. The interaction between wildfires and eucalyptus have become such an issue here in Portugal that the Portuguese government even issued new regulations on eucalyptus plantations. Despite its negative effects, eucalyptus is just classified as a non-native species and not an invasive one. This is mainly because its spread is due to human activity. The eucalyptus plant itself does not have the capacity to rapidly spread like other invasive species. The threat of eucalyptus on native ecosystems, however, is real, and it's more than time to actively find alternatives to eucalyptus and start to replace it.